We'll guide you through how to get slice with text in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu appears, search for Google Chrome in the taskbar search field and open the Google Chrome browser application from the search results. After the browser has loaded completely, click the search bar, enter Figma, and press enter on your keyboard. From the search results page, click the official Figma website to access the design platform. After a few moments, the Figma main page will appear in your browser window. Before continuing, ensure you've already logged into your Figma account so you can access your saved projects and editing tools. From the Recent section on the dashboard, select the previous project you want to work on. Once the project opens, the design canvas and all project elements will become available for editing. To get a slice with text in Figma, locate and tap the available text layer on the canvas. Make sure the text element you want to include in the exported area is clearly visible and properly positioned. Next, look for the toolbar located near the top of the workspace and choose the Slice button from the available tools. After selecting the Slice tool, move your cursor to the area of the design that you want to capture. Position the cursor at one corner of the desired selection area. Then left-click, hold the mouse button, and drag across the canvas. Continue dragging until the selection area covers the portion of the text and design you want to include. Release the left mouse button to create the slice. Figma will display the slice area on the canvas, allowing you to review the selected region. Next, move your cursor to the right side of the screen and locate the design panel. Within this panel, search for the Export section near the bottom. Before exporting, carefully review the Preview section to ensure the slice includes exactly the content you want. If necessary, adjust the slice dimensions and check the preview again until the result looks correct. Once you are satisfied with the selection, click the Export Slice 1 button. Figma will process the export and save the sliced image file to your computer.